HACCP or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. It is a food safety system. The food safety tools are hazard, food contamination or spoilage, analysis, finding out the source, critical, level of danger, control, remedial actions, point, state for corrective action, food handling techniques. So HACCP has 6 steps, 6 tools. 6 tools. HACCP or Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, a food safety system, has 6 tools. Hazard means food contamination or spoilage, analysis means finding out the source, critical means level of danger, control, remedial actions, point, state for corrective actions, and food handling techniques. HACCP identify, evaluate and control the food safety hazards caused by biological, chemical and physical agents. Identify, evaluate and control the food safety hazards caused by biological, chemical and physical agents. Has 6 tools. Food safety tools. HACCP was developed during World War II, should be maintained by all food handlers. HACCP by Pillsbury Company plus NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, to prevent astronauts from getting food poisoning and to produce 100% safe food. So HACCP was established, or HACCP was developed during World War II by Pillsbury Company plus NASA, or National Aeronautics and Space Administration, to prevent the astronauts from getting food poisoning and to produce 100% safe food. Was developed during World War II by Pillsbury Company and NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, to prevent the astronauts from getting food poisoning and to produce 100% safe food. HACCP should be maintained by all food handlers. 7 principles of HACCP. How many principles are included under HACCP? Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. 7 principles. 7 principles under HACCP. First is hazard analysis to identify the hazards. Determine CCP or critical control point of a food. Critical values, maximum and minimum value to reduce the hazards to an acceptable level. Maximum and minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius to 63 degrees Celsius. Monitor the control by CCP, critical control point, by visual check, temperature recordings, corrective action during monitoring, verification to confirm the HACCP system, hazard analysis critical control point by recording, keeping and documentation. Periodical check of HACCP system. So how many principles are there under HACCP system? 7 principles are there under HACCP system. First is critical value, critical control point. Critical control point has maximum and minimum temperature of foods 7 degrees Celsius to 63 degrees Celsius. This is the maximum and minimum temperature value under critical control point. HACCP menu, purchase, receiving, storage, thawing, preparation. HACCP equal to menu, purchase, receiving, storage, thawing and preparation. CCP critical control point during kitchen operation. Works and internal temperature. Cooking 74 degrees Celsius. Cooling less than 4 degrees Celsius. Reheating more than 74 degrees Celsius. So critical control point during kitchen operation, works and internal temperature. Cooking 74 degrees Celsius internal temperature. Cooling less than 4 degrees Celsius internal temperature, and reheating more than 74 degrees Celsius internal temperature. Proper service temperature, hot or cold for serving. Cleaning and sanitizing 100 ppm for sanitizing solution. Sanitizing solution amount is at the rate 100 ppm. So proper service temperature, hot or cold food serving, and cleaning and sanitizing. Sanitizing solution at the rate 100 ppm should be used. HACCP practice: continue cooking until the meat dish reaches an internal minimum temperature of 74 degrees Celsius for minimum 15 seconds. HACCP practice: personal hygiene, work practices, 3 sink system, wash, rinse and sanitize, storage, blast chillers, 4 degree deep trays, handling food hot or cold, thawing and cooking. Color. So what are the practices under HACCP? Personal hygiene, work practices, 3 sink system. How many sink system are there under HACCP? 3 sink system. Rinse, wash, rinse and sanitize. Storage at blast chillers at 4 degree deep trays handling food hot or cold, thawing and cooking. Personal hygiene, work practices, 3 sink system, that is wash, rinse and sanitize. Storage at blast chillers, storage at which machine? Blast chillers at 4-degree deep trays. Handling food hot or cold, thawing and cooking. Continue cooking until the meat dish reaches an internal minimum temperature of 74 degrees Celsius for continue cooking for minimum 15 minutes. So for 15 seconds. For how many times? The cooking should be continued for 15 seconds up to when the meat dish will reach the temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. Minimum for 15 seconds. Color coded cutting boards. Foods, raw meat, board color is red. Raw fish, board color is blue. Cooked meat, yellow. Salad and fruits, green. Vegetables, brown. Bakery and dairy, white. Raw meat, red. Raw fish, blue. Cooked meat, yellow. Salad and fruits, green. Vegetables, brown. Bakery and dairy, white. GMP and GHP. GMP and GHP, the Codex Alimentarius Commission, created by FAO and WHO in 1963, developed food standards and guidelines. Codex Alimentarius Commission brought out the recommended internal code for practice general principles of food hygiene or GMP in 1969, undergone 4 revisions.